Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you all for being here. On behalf of Merck, I want to begin with a very heartfelt thank you to all the advocates from across the country who traveled here this week in sometimes very terrible weather to engage with policymakers and ensure that the voices of the rare disease community continue to shape policy and drive meaningful change. At Merck, we are proud to be a sponsor of Rare Disease Week and to stand alongside you in this work. We understand that for patients and families living with rare disease, policy is not just a distant debate, it is deeply personal. It can mean the difference between waiting in uncertainty and finally getting answers. It affects how quickly a child can be diagnosed, whether a family can see a specialist, and how fast promising science can be translated into an approved therapy. Over the past year, your advocacy has helped drive several important achievements. We congratulate everyone in the room for your efforts in securing the 5-year reauthorization of, and she nailed it, so I'm going to try it too, Rare Pediatric Disease Priority Review Voucher Program. That is no small achievement. It is a direct result of your persistence, your unified voice, and your ability to translate lived experience into action. It sends a clear message that children with rare disease deserve sustained attention, investment, and urgency. We also know that the progress we have made together is not the finish line. It is the groundwork established by years of advocacy and strengthened every day by your continued engagement. Each meeting you take, each story you share, and each policy you help shape builds momentum for the next advance. So from all of us at Merck, thank you for being here, for lending your voice, and for the leadership you bring to this community. Your stories provide purpose to the work we do at Merck, and they drive change in Congress, in federal agencies, and across the broader healthcare system. We hope you have a productive and impactful Rare Disease Week here in Washington, D.C., and we look forward to the progress we will continue to achieve together. I have a 2-year-old who is a member of the St. Dolly Parton book club, and he just got a book the other week about what you call different configurations of animals. So a parade of elephants, a tower of giraffe, and a dazzle of zebras. And you all are so dazzling, and please continue to go out there on Capitol Hill and dazzle them with your voice, your passion, your stories, because your voice really does make a difference in the future of rare disease in the U.S. Now, it is my pleasure to introduce our moderator, James Valentine. James is a director at Hyman, Phelps, and McNamara, where he advises medical product companies and patient advocacy organizations on regulatory issues in drug and biologic development and approval. He is a true champion for the patient voice in drug development and review. Before joining the firm, James served in the FDA's Office of Special Health Issues, helping ensure that patient perspective informed benefit risk decisions. He helped administer the FDA Patient Representative Program, supported stakeholder input during the reauthorization of PDUFA and MDUFA, and played a key role in launching the Patient-Focused Drug Development Program. He also worked in FDA's Center for Drug Evaluation and Research on post-market safety issues, including REMS and safety labeling changes. Please join me in welcoming our moderator, James Valentine.